Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and yeah, this is Tech Tips 101, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Switch emulator Ryujinx on your Mac. So in this tutorial, I'm using a Mac Mini M4 chip, which you need an Apple Silicon to follow this tutorial. So either you can be M1, M2, M3, M4. Yeah, it works on your Mac Mini, MacBook, and iMac, Mac Studio, and whatever Mac. So yeah, let's get started. So if you look at the description, we have 3 links. So for the 3 links, one is the Ryujinx download, and the others is the firmware and also the prod keys. So you can just follow my steps one step by one step, and you should able to install Ryujinx, the Switch emulator, and you need your NSP file for you to play whatever games you want. We will go to that later. So first, just open the first link, ryujinx.io/download, something like that. So scroll down, and until you see download Ryujinx all platforms. So I have previously made a tutorial on Windows, but now I'm going to make about macOS. But just one thing for you to know, if you cannot open this link, if you get some error or error 404, you can just comment down below, and I will send a backup link of the files for your Mac to install Ryujinx. Yeah, you just need to let me know in the comment section. So if this link is working, just click here, download for your Mac, and click allow. Now you can wait for the app to download. So next, go to the second link. For the second link, it should be the Ryujinx firmware. So what's a firmware? So firmware is something that lets you have the system of the Switch on your computer. So here you have a lot of version. You can choose the latest version here, which is 22.5.0. Just click here to download and allow. Easy, right? Now go to the third link. The third link will be the prod keys. Click on it, scroll down. Yeah, just ensure that the versions is the same, 22.5.0 as the firmware. Yeah, depending on your time or your version, it may be updated, but make sure that both versions are the same. Now I'm just going to click download. Yeah, all files are downloaded now. So I will just close my browser, and now we should able to run Ryujinx. So here you should able to see some files here, and I will just copy it to my desktop so you can see it clear. Yeah. So this is a tar file. You can just double click to extract, and you have Ryujinx app here. Now just trash this. So you have 3 things. What is Ryujinx, firmware, and also your prod keys. So just double click on Ryujinx. Okay, you have this error here, like Ryujinx not open because you cannot verify. It's just normal. Just click done. Click on system settings. Scroll down here, go to privacy and security. Scroll down. You have this Ryujinx was blocked to protect your Mac. So actually Ryujinx, because it's a emulator and it's not verified by Apple, so you will have this error, but totally it is fine, and it's not a malware. I want to repeat that. It is not a malware if you use the correct link I gave in the description. Now open anyway and open anyway. Okay, so now open Ryujinx again, and yeah, you will see this is an error here, like Ryujinx error that key is not found. So this is totally just normal, and you will just need to install the keys like we downloaded. So now just click OK, and now we need to install the firmware and install the keys. So just click on options, actions. Yeah, install firmware. We'll install the firmware first. Install firmware, a folder. I go to desktops, and yeah, this is the firmware folder. Just click on open, and you have the error. Click on actions, install keys, install keys folder, and we just select port keys and now open. So you just install keys, new keys will be installed. Do you want to continue? Just click on yes. Yeah, you have successfully installed. So now you can just configure your preferences first. So I'll just configure my settings, especially on the input. So for this input, you can try to configure using different controllers. Like you can use to have input like emulator input as a Pro controller or Joy-Con controller. You can even add players here. And input device, if you have like a Xbox controller or PS4, DualShock 4, yeah, you can use it to connect with your Mac, and you can select it and mount your controls here. So for now, I'm just going to follow the default mode. So for CPU, you can try you have this CPU mode. So I'll just always use the default one. And graphics, always use Vulkan. And these are just some hotkeys that you can know. And yeah, totally that's it. So the most important part is about the input and that. So now just close. Let's try with load some games. So I do have a game here, the Mario Kart 8. So you might ask like, how do I download the NSP file? So I cannot tell you how to do because it's illegal, and you need to just find it yourself. Now just click on the NSP file, click open. Oh, okay, you have firmware not found. So I think we didn't install the firmware just now. We will just need to install it again. Click open. Yeah, okay, so you have this confirmation and click yes. Okay, install. Let me show you like a gameplay. Just going to click open again.
Mario Kart 8!
Now press UE and just press something like yeah, so this ends our video, and I hope you have learned something. So yeah, if you need some help, or you have any ideas of the upcoming videos, or you need me to make some tutorials on, feel free to let me down in a comment, and please subscribe and like this video if this video helps you a lot. So that's it. So hope you have a great day and enjoy your Ryujinx on your Mac. See you next time.